So hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. And as you can see right now on my screen, these are just the animations that we're gonna try right now. So some of them are pretty realistic, this is futuristic, and the best one right here, these are animes. If you're gonna ask me, they are really high quality, especially this astronaut right there. So for this video, we're gonna use this tool that's gonna be called Morph Studio, and this is gonna be your landing page. Again, that's gonna be this website. The link is gonna be morphstudio.xyz, and this should be the one you're seeing also on your landing page. So to join quickly click on this join beta Discord. Once you click on this one, you'll be directed on a Discord invite, which is going to be this one right here. Simply click on join Morph Studio. Now while joining, it will take around 30 seconds to do so, and basically you're inside Morph Studio Discord. And as you can see on the left side, there is going to be video generation from 1 to 10, so don't worry about the traffic. So let's just use a specific channel. I'm going to use for 7. And then we're just going to use here text to video, and then image to video. Let's try the first one, text to video. So simply clap the dash in and click on video. So for this one, we're going to input a prompt. For example, let's just say Asian girl walking down the road. And then for this one, I'm going to use aspect ratio 9 to 16, and we're going to discuss the aspect ratio later on. Click on enter. Now while waiting for the prompt to finish, click on tutorial right here so you can see this how to use this specific tool. As you can see right there, for this one, the video, this is the examples. For example, hello world, aspect ratio 16 to 9. Motion, this is gonna be the intensity on how the video moves. For camera zoom, this is just an action, if it's zooming in or zooming out. For FPS, this is for quality, and for S, that's gonna be the duration of the video. Maximum is 7 seconds, minimum is 30 seconds. And then furthermore, there's gonna be more example right there for animate. This is gonna be for image to video. The one we tried earlier is text to video. So for image to video, that would be this one, animate. We're gonna need to upload the photo, prompt. Again, AR aspect ratio, it's just basically gonna be 16:9, or there's also gonna be 3:2. It's really up to you there. Motion, for this one's gonna be maximum of 10, minimum of 1. Also the camera, still the same, zoom in or zoom out. For FPS for this one, same goes for 80 to 30. And that being said, this is gonna be the tutorial, so it doesn't really matter if you're new to this one. This is what I like about Morph. It has a tutorial server where it's pretty direct regarding its tools. So let's go back on your channel and let's check our bot. So it's gonna take some time here. I'm gonna get back to you once it's done. So welcome back. Our video just has finished generating and this is gonna be it. Let's play it right now. Again, the prompt is Asian girl walking down the road, aspect ratio of 9 to 16. Let's play it out. Let me just click on full screen to fully satisfy the quality here. Click on play. And as you can see right now, it's basically done. However, if you're gonna ask me honestly here, the quality is not that good because for me, the best one right now is gonna be Moon Valley. There still haven't been a tool that overcome that quality of Moon Valley. Anyway, for now, this is gonna be how Morph Studio works. Let's move on now to the image to video regarding with the next tutorial. So right now, I just type in another prompt, so it will take much time. But for now, I'm gonna type in animate. This is the same thing I've typed earlier, and for this one, I'm gonna choose a photo, and then I'm gonna choose this specific woman right here. Now, please take note that you might ask, where is the prompt gonna be here? There's no more prompt bar right there. Don't be nervous, simply click on +1 more, and click on prompt right there. And then enter a prompt, for example, woman talking, easy as that. Click on enter. So the prompt will reference the image we've just entered. Basically, that's it. And while waiting for our prompt to finish, I'll get back to you once it's done. So hello there, welcome back to the video. And our video has just been finished generating regarding the image earlier that we input and made it into a video. So let's try it out right now. Let me click on full screen and click on play right now. As you can see, this image has been moving right now. Again, before the original part, it's going to be an image, not a video. So we just transferred an image to a video as of now. And by the way guys, if you're not satisfied with the quality, for example, this one earlier, you can still click on this shuffle button and it will give you another prompt, for example this one. This is the same prompt but a different video. Click on it and the quality is a bit better now comparing to the one before, the original one. So again, same prompt, I did not touch anything, simply clicking by the shuffle button right there. And basically that's it. That's how you use Morph Studio. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.